Hello everyone, this is Ishan from St. Joseph's Senior Secondary School, Chandigarh. Today I am going to discuss about the impact of Gandhiji's ideologies in modern times. Before we go ahead with the video, I would like to tell that I am not against any of the ideologies of Gandhiji. It's just my point of view on his ideologies. We all know about Gandhiji and his non-violent struggle. He popularized numerous ideas like non-violence, speaking truth, helping others, etc. But are they relevant in today's contemporary world? Let's discuss his ideologies one by one. The most famous and known ideology of Gandhiji is non-violence. Gandhiji believed that if the struggle was against injustice, physical force was not required. But in today's time, this ideology of Gandhiji is losing its relevance because kids and youngsters are being involved in violent video games. Let's discuss about speaking truth. Gandhiji always asked his followers to speak truth, and it had a great impact on our country's independence struggle. But in today's time, this ideology is less relevant as compared to that time. For example, let us consider business category. A businessman has to adopt certain strategies so that he can make his business flourish. And those strategies include fake advertising, false taglines, etc. So we can say that Gandhiji's ideology of speaking truth is not that relevant as it was earlier. Let's discuss about helping others and cooperation. During the independence struggle, Gandhiji encouraged everyone to help each other and be united. This is the ideology which is not only relevant but also became popular in the last 3-4 months of this COVID-19 lockdown. During Exodus, many laborers lost their livelihoods. They even found it difficult to afford a single meal. During this time, they had a blessing in disguise when people came out of their homes to help these laborers. They provided them food, essential things, and also transport facilities so that they can go back to their home. What do we conclude from this? We conclude that this ideology has left a great impact in our country. What do we infer from all this? We conclude that some of the ideologies of Gandhiji are relevant today, whereas some others are not that relevant as they were earlier. Jai Hind, thank you, have a nice day.